Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Marius Michael and I hope you are doing well and fantastic. For today's video, I haven't prepared something because most of the times when I'm trying to prepare something, it doesn't come out, so I realized to just go with the flow, and that's how I make the videos. And it's been some time that I haven't uploaded a YouTube video, but today is the day that I want to upload the video. So I'm recording a video. In a previous video I said like I was going to upgrade my internet in the house, and I did that. And right now I have a faster internet, and also it's cheaper. It's a good deal. At the same time I had to clean my room, which was very tedious and extremely difficult for me because I needed to organize a lot of stuff, to rearrange things in the room. But it was worth it after all, because now when I wake up I see the results. I see a clean room, I see an organized room, and I realize that organize your own stuff, decluttering your own stuff, it creates a feeling of peace, or similar to being in heaven. This energy that you are feeling like everything is in a correct order, everything is where it's supposed to be. Of course I need to reorganize my room more, but still, after I did the thing I had to do, now I feel like everything is more at peace. And I realize that maybe you have to do something in your own life, a task, and you need to take action, but you are saying like maybe tomorrow, the next day, the other day. At the point you have to almost put a deadline where you say like enough is enough, I need to do this. Because when you feel like things are very bad in your own life and you have nothing to do, and you are watching up in the sky, in the ceiling of your own room, when you are watching the walls of your own room and you realize that you are living in a prison, it means that your room have become a prison. You need to rearrange things, you need to upgrade things. And maybe it's not your room, maybe it's your own life, your own job, your own relationships. If you feel like you are being stuck in a prison, in a cell, that means you need to put forth a strategy, a plan, an exit plan, where you are going to do in simple and easy steps to execute the strategy that you need to execute, so you can actually come out of this hell, if you want to call it, this kind of misery that you put yourself into. Maybe in the past things were good, but right now you are feeling things need to be better. For example, I had some old clothes that they were bothering me, and I had to throw them away. Also similar with some shoes. I realized that old stuff need to replace with new stuff. So that's the message for today, guys. Hope you like this message, and put a goal in your own mind and try and execute it, starting with the smallest, tiny little almost non-existent step, starting from step 0, and from that eat some food, recharge your own energy, and then execute the first step. When you start executing the first step, then the second step is going to feel more easy, the third step is going to come easier, fourth step is going to be even easier, and from there you're going to have some momentum and things are going to start rolling. And that's how you execute your strategy, guys. execute the strategy. Maybe it needs a little bit of endurance, a little bit of pushing, but I trust in you that you can do it. Anyway, guys, hope you like this message. I love you, and peace out. Wow.